It's time to make pizza without an oven. For this recipe, I'll be using some flour, some beef, tomatoes, and tatashe. I'll be using some oil, yeast, salt, sugar, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions, carrots, cheese, and lime. In a bowl, I'll go in with 1/2 cups of flour, add some salt and sugar, and then give that good mix and set aside. I'm going to go ahead and mix the yeast with warm water and stir completely until it is well dissolved and combined. And then I'll go right in and pour that into the dry ingredients that I mixed. I'll mix all of that to combine, and then I'll cover with a cling film and keep it in a warm place for 90 minutes. While that is going on, I'm going to heat up some thyme in oil and add the tomatoes, the tatashe, the green and red bell peppers, the onions, and the carrots. And I'm going to steam that for 25 minutes to get out more flavor from this. Now that our vegetables are all set and flavorful, we blend. Check out the consistency of the sauce. Perfect. Now back to our dough. The dough has risen and it's time to knead. So I knead it for a few minutes and set aside. Since we're making spicy beef pizza, so I'm going to chop up this beef into small pieces and then stir fry. And as a Nigerian girl that I am, I had to introduce yaji. You know that soya spice? Yes, to this recipe in the middle of the cooking. Look at this gorgeousness. So I'm just going to punch it to let out more air, and I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts because I want to make 2 pizzas. I'm laying out the dough in a pan, but additionally, you can add a cornmeal first before laying your dough on top of the cornmeal. So I'm going to add a spoonful of sugar and lime. Now the reason for this is to take the flavor a notch higher. So one side is properly cooked and I'm going to flip it to the other side to cook as well. I'm cooking this on low heat, and after 20 minutes this top part is ready. So I'm just going to add the sauce. I'm going to spread it all around and then go in with the peppers, the meat, and the cheese. I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for just 15 minutes, and ta-da! Our pizza is ready, and this was so delicious. Come join me, guys, and until next time that I see you, bye. Enjoy the video.